Ti abusuya sesi amano kasa de babia Sam George ewo bia no wanyame score from Afia Schwarz nega oba ya santoa. Yes, Afia Schwarz nega asosi Sam George so abusuya otwa na left and right supplement ni boomele de ano din ankasa utie de Afia Schwarz nega all kana utumi se nani abere ewo de all kana ho na ni nyina efa data band asesi ano ye to enduru seconds na asa na so koto 100 grand project o de wayela mu. Yes, na Afia Schwarz nega asosi Sam George so a ebi nso akwakoka Sam George ne maame ankasa na utie de Schwarzenegger all kana na ni abre eha GH Kwabi media so message so be subscribe to your channel no send update bi anso etomu a onso onsa ebeka bi na wa share ama afoforo nso anya bi ati abusunya ye ba Afia Schwarzenegger ne nsem a all kan efa Sam George ho ewo data nsensem ya ababeto Ghana obia esu ewo ye data ho ene ye niema a ye social media so no. Yes, eno na Afia Schwarzenegger ajiga o twabo Sam George ano ayedin na Sam George abia na ye wo opposition or ti opposition ohun niema Sam George na o ka ensem a Sam George kan ya utumi se nipa ope tumi a ewo ensem obeka ene de onya tumi nso ade obeye ebi na Sam George sesi ande oye nti obia Ghana obia kase Sam George na sesi a oye West Impia wa bonwa Sam George wa feli poto eti nimgo pram for omonim se omo MP ewo parliament ekope bi papa badia Afia Schwarzenegger echiremu a and omo da because oye useless MP in Ghana oye useless onu podi oye cat what you say Afia Schwarzenegger kasa abusia mensa obre enkasa bebre entu twa so no yenkotie de Afia Schwarzenegger ono so ode to the concern about the mechanic nyina yenkotie ewo this side emra
we are kwasia ba Jimmy for to Sam George for mother kwasia and I would thought that 300 and the 2 weeks last kwasia won't even to aduane and the feeding no na bema the feeding no nyan saben onim somebody is fucking your ass Sam George obi di true won na wo kwasia Sam George kwasia Jimmy fuwe mimi tua wo ka wo beto amane me abu akotra fie Jimmy ti na wo se de wunia na ya no na wunia no ba ye hu ye the size ye ne wonum abu awati mi wi ame kofrashe ye ne wonum 40 feet container ma wo kwasia Sam George South what the 22nd one bra we are don come here you think you are what me say dey true mo na dey akodi bibia wo dey be a man and send another to it you eat toilet hey maso brandara balaba Jimmy no cross border money draw ni na mo baje someone say amate I don't know why John Mahama is keeping you there. Sam George went as far as calling the former communication minister Ofui. Sam George swore before Onuti na data boy thing. Sam George told us that Ofui is in bed with MTN and Omudi for the but Omu data at say Ghana area. The most loudest piece of shit in Ghana politics Sam George. The most loudest piece of shit. Last year he was all over barking like a dog. Now Sam George is a minister. What the fuck? He has turned into a rat. Some people are saying he's a cat. He's not even a cat. So I say Sam George is a rat. It's a rat. My children buy data, so I buy data. Can feed your good for nothing, stupid, lazy mother. So I have every right to complain about the data I'm buying. Ofui, my dear, I'll board Jimmy Foba. Told us, Sam George, oh, Francesca, I want some annoying. Ni asun kwedidi Sami Janfi beka che say hotel aya ba wuni ade ya fa no don chen Sam George na chen na we will make sure Sam George what has happened to the LGBT law? What has happened? Suddenly mobile no LGBT as any of them Sam George. You are not granting interviews about LGBT again Sam George. Suddenly mobile no data asem na hu ya obiom You had the infantry. Aya wo si bebrebe. Wo ya wo sisa kranti a wo gujaso. Aya wo ni mo shine said when you dey poor. Ebe ka tell say people think say data no is by a stroke of a pen. Kwasiaba. Sam George, wo ya kwasiaba. Nana would him say data na by pen. Now would him say reducing data was not by pen. And now what should you go as so no? Now when him pastor will ultimate now with the chance. I don't know why John Mahama is keeping you there. I don't know his reason. John Mahama keeping you there right now. I don't know his reason. But now that you people cannot talk about the LGBT, I am suspecting your anus. Sam George, when you had the effort to come and sit down that President Akufo-Addo was sleeping with people, somebody is fucking your ass. That is why you are still a minister. Obi do true. Last year said they know what LGBT assembly town when you saw me and kind. Said yes, Sam George here. Only a gay person will do that. Said you know interest our LGBT mo. Me catch you. Me want have for baby or me bisexual. Or man to pretend they are married, but you do too. Sam George said you know when you bring LGBT assembly. Any position at now with a pen. One not. Asantini kasa wona chasa your mother kwasia na wonim sa asem no na wonim say yentimi nti that so with a pen with you can't sit in the office and reduce. Did you know that? And I ask the NDC again and to almost search on whether buy any. We have the men or search on whether buy any because Sam George is a piece of shit. John Jinapo is a piece of shit. To Minister George Apostle or my 2.5 days or 2.6 days. But 2.6 days, how many days? And you see, moment now more than your Sam George, you are a piece of shit. And now we thought that at 300 and the 2 weeks last. That and you find share the monitor security system keke. And next year they chat TikTok. Next year they chat it. Data ya the monitor security system. Also data 300 and the 2 weeks near from data because ya the kwasia akota communication ministry. Ya the aboy Jimmy for kwasia won timi to aduane NDD and yire the feeding no. Na be ma yire feeding no. Nyansa be no nim. I the ministry akwasha nsa. A stupid man who can't feed himself. Who is friend Nigeria national. And yet na communication minister no communication ministry and wo Jimmy and wo nya free data because say the etua kanti no ato eti ni chasiri no dey abeto onye gbemi opposition anti LGBT who ba power wa ko anu otum ayo fumpu ni wo fumpu say the asa wa she otumu wo kwasi animu wo Sam George wo kwasi animu number 1 demonstration at here wo Sam George. Now office now they use the government data. Eto tinkwasi asemo mani yesa. Fire data na yetu amauno. Now on the first sending kwasi asem demonstration ebe organ etia wono. Ube dwane. Adi kobi awoje wenti e obi afo musika komo. We can't continue to be paying data as if we owe you people. Huh? We can't continue to be buying data. As if say mu ye tua mu kama mo se mo jimia ye better mama de gbegbe better power ni ma ba ye mo nim se nantwidwan wo Sam George wo nim se odwan wo dwan wa yira wo kurom e ba better se wo ma power wo see your ministers ye ntwa mo picture no mo TV8 mo kwasia wo kwa sorry kwa the convoy na ko Ofui ahometi o I requested bank statement from MTN. I'm with you. I feel they have say, Sikan from the MTN phone told data na mame. Maybe I requested statement from MTN. What the fuck? What the FUCK? What the fuck? Look at this. You might think I'm lying, Enra maybe I Edi no wa kan we edi MTN ye. Mami bi okra. Ano me di ahome tie. We edi. We edi mo re. We edi. MTN transaction history. Ano me di ahome tie request me statement from MTN. Me di ahome tie. I don't use the internet for anything. It is just to monitor my security in all my houses. Media with CSNE email my MTN said they should send me my statements because it looks like Mr. Muskana they can move from because the your communication minister why they say necessary pass one the taxpayers' money into our how better money. Abua, me papa say something I mean koji position biano. Wo yeah the taxpayers' money into our car. Wo better money. Wo na wo kwasia Sam George kwasia Jimmy Fue. Mimi to our car. Wo better money me. Abua kwatlafie. Neja ya juma no. Wo kwasia. Wo di don koma ya. Wo sa better money. What the taxpayers' money? I bet now would it chancellor? I bet one money on. What was Sia? Sam George, what was Sia? Would Jimmy? Jimmy, now said you wouldn't know. Now, only anybody young size. Then only I don't know who would you Jimmy Nijan what dream? What was Sia? Whoa, yeah, the taxpayers' money to our car. Whoa, that's now office. I bet one money in. Yan the one noon. I'll pour out to me a flash. Yan the one noon. 40 feet container ma. Wukwasia Sam George. South would you 22nd one, bra. One na. I'll pour when you pass us or so yarful. What has only this phone edition? What's the communication ministry? I bet 2 money in. I'll pour out it. Kwasia ya phone contact ministry wa. Neka weire on a small which you mean. So what Jimmy yeah was your answer yeah who was your answer and son of mama pamo so what Jimmy we will force wisdom into your head try on that to kwasia sam sabra biom ofui try on na ya wo say adoa a tangira no num na sa to kwasia sam esa sabra biom kwasia wate see I down. We will show you that we hide you. So anyway, we are don't come here. You think you are what? You think you are what? Common worker of the state we move here. We can see 24 flyer say down. Yeah down. So what Jimmy? Say so what Jimmy? Send another tweet. My Jimmy influencer. Let's send another tweet. Sam George Jimmy for. We are not to wine. Why they are not to? I blame John Mahama. I don't blame you. I blame John Mahama because you are competent people in the NDC who can do this job. I blame John Mahama because we have competent people who can handle the communication ministry and then Jimmy Fue. And then Jimmy Fue. We have competent people who can handle the communication ministry. Now the Musasa John name our appointment. Now 1738 we were Kebiana. Now we're Kebi. Because on the engine we're Kebi. Or Kebi so be behind the fair. If not, how dare you, Sam George? How dare you? 24 town. Be a man. Sam George, be a man. Mrs. said that would true when I called you. Would you be a man and send another tweet? You eat top. Part of the devil to say in a seno. One said, I'm going to follow with our phone, baby. No. And no, but some of them, once almost in the watch check. When I was a seno, a separating Oka Caribbean, Nyansa no so disassociate. And was here we are got na ministry the Ghanaians get Janeka. And more no, Sakola to away feel say, or that's now office. Now what to a man again? Woman, men answer to woman, chair, was here to for bra. John Mahama cannot look at you and tell you are a fool. Because of Nivera's presence. If John Mahama has placed you people there, someone Jimmy in China, hey, Maso Brandara Balaba, Jimmy no cross border, money drawn in our mobile J. Someone say Amate, Ninte. Say, and Pessy, a betting quasi, a semo. Wo try Brian, I was because who they buy, who bad J. abusia fo nya atam me mpem kwase asem ti me nkoje public position o now go back to my next topic and before na moja on say let's can be can
abusunya we nso ye de eye Afia Schwarz nigga oba ya santoa ono nso oka wutie de Afia Schwarz nigga oka na sometimes no amanfo mo kasa bebebe no mo kan ansasem Sam George yobi a na what position demonstration ahodro and someone ahodro wo hwe LGBTQ be na na eda ho no kwa na all force say ye de yensan and then the Sam George etumi ye we nyina abusunya utumi hu say opposition ni de otia the mean bia obenya e de aba eye abanmori de wo se ofa ebi na Sam George ono no na onam so atemdidie ene se ne yengu obi hu fi yenka asem wei what you say enti Sam George de oye ne de me de many problem because no proposition or purpose and wanya post no but network any your data ne de also ye hu aduma said ye Afia Schwarz nigga okay abusunya eha and I'm able to see message or best subscribe to your channel no send the update bi anso etomu a onso obenya bi ati na wa share ama for so eden enya bi ati keta wo se enye dodo nwuna makra bye bye.